This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the WordPress dashboard. Let's begin by understanding its layout and primary functions. The dashboard serves as your website's control center, offering a comprehensive overview. On the left, you'll find a navigation menu with dozens of options, allowing you to access every part of your site. The main area provides at-a-glance information, like recent activity and quick draft options. Spending a few minutes to explore this initial screen will greatly enhance your efficiency and understanding of your site's operations. Next, let's dive into creating and managing your site's content. WordPress makes it straightforward to add new posts for blog entries or static pages for essential information. You can organize these with categories and tags, helping visitors find what they need. All your visual and downloadable assets, like images and PDFs, are stored in the media library, ready for use. The intuitive block editor allows you to build rich layouts with ease, ensuring your content looks professional and engaging for your audience. Now, let's explore how to customize your site's appearance to reflect your unique brand. WordPress offers thousands of themes, allowing you to completely transform your website's look with just a few clicks. You can fine-tune these themes through their specific customization options. Widgets enable you to add dynamic content to areas like sidebars and footers. Crafting custom navigation menus ensures your visitors can easily find their way around. The Live Customizer lets you see all your design adjustments in real time before publishing them. Finally, let's look at the essential settings and tools that keep your WordPress site running smoothly. You can easily adjust fundamental settings, such as your site's title and tagline, to accurately represent your online presence. Plugins are powerful additions that can extend your site's capabilities, from security to e-commerce, with hundreds of options available. Managing user roles allows you to control who can do what on your site. Don't forget to optimize your permalinks for better search engine visibility, ensuring your site is easily discoverable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.